Good day everybody, welcome back to my channel. And this video was inspired by Project Farms, as you can see probably from the thumbnail. But in this video I want to pose a question to everyone. How much do you think you're throwing away on your stain removers? I mean, have you really thought about it? Now, a lot of these companies are using the same liquid in different bottles and just using some kind of fancy label. Now, we keep buying it over and over as if it's some kind of magic potion to removing stains. But here's the truth, and it may hurt some of you, but you really don't need all that. You already have what you need sitting in your laundry room or in your closet, and that's your detergent. That's right. The same detergent that you're using every day to wash your clothes has the pre-treating powers as a lot of these overpriced bottles. So in this video, I wanted to showcase the real cost of the stain removers and break down a cost comparison between the two to show you that you really don't need it and that you're wasting your money. But at the end of the day, this video is helping you be smarter with your money versus keep falling for a lot of these marketing gimmicks. So let's get into the video.
Have you been shopping for clothes lately and noticed the price tag? Talk about sticker shock, clothes have become so expensive. So the question is, when you get a stain in those clothes, how do you get that stain out? Well, let's find out. We'll see which laundry detergent does the best job at removing 6 different common stains. Then we'll see which one does the best job at removing awful smells like this gear oil. At a price of only $4 for 22 ounces or 18 cents per ounce, the least expensive brand we'll be testing is made by Shout. At a price of only $3 for 16 ounces or 19 cents per ounce is this spray and wash brand. They claim it gets the job done the first time. At a price of $5 for 22 ounces or 23 cents per ounce is this Tide Rescue. Works on laundry as well as carpet and upholstery. At a price of $6 for 17 ounces or 35 cents per ounce is the Pink Stuff. At a price of $9 for 22 ounces or 41 cents per ounce is this Zout brand. Price of $10 for 24 ounces or 42 cents per ounce is this Draft. At a price of $7 for 12 ounces or 58 cents per ounce is this OxyClean. They claim you can spray now and wash up to 7 days later. At a price of $16 for 27 ounces or 59 cents per ounce is this Attitude brand. It's made from powerful ingredients sourced from plants and minerals. At a price of $5 for 6 ounces or 81 cents per ounce is this OxyClean Gel Stick. They claim it can tackle your stubborn and dried-in laundry stain. Price of $6 for 4 ounces or $1.50 per ounce is this Stain Rescue. So the price of $6 for 4 ounces or $1.50 per ounce is this Miss Mouse Stain Treater. At a price of $20 for 12 ounces or $1.67 per ounce is this Dissolve It brand. They claim it can remove stains even after dryer. Let's throw together a homebrew stain remover with approximately 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part Dawn dish detergent.
Now let's head over to the Target website to check out the prices on these detergents. Now, for instance, this Tide Plus Ultra 132 ounce bottle for $20 is 15 cents per ounce. Let's check out another bottle, 7th generation, a 90 ounce bottle, $14, 16 cents per ounce. Now, most of these bottles are all meant for pre-treating. If you look at the instructions in the back, you'll see that. Now check out this Arm & Hammer, 166.5 ounces, $14, 8 cents per ounce. Now, obviously, if you reduce the amount of ounces, it's going to be a little bit more because it's Arm & Hammer. You're not going to really spend too much more. Now, let's check another plant-based detergent. Let's try this Everspring detergent here. Now, for 100 ounces, it comes up to $12, and you're paying 12 cents an ounce. Again, this is also something that you can pre-treat with. I'm going to keep going. Let's keep going. Let's see if we find another one. Oh, Parasil. Let's try this Parasil out. I actually like Parasil a lot. Both of these bottles for 150 or 100 ounces, both come out to 13 cents per ounce. You're not going to beat that. These are really good when it comes to pre-treating stains as well, and some odor stains. Let's try this Purex bottle here. All right, not the biggest fan of Purex, but it is cheap. So if you want a cheap stain remover, this is the way to go. As you can see, for $10, 150 ounces becomes out to 7 cents per ounce. Very cheap way to make a stain remover, even though its marketing is usually lying. Let's head over to the Tide detergent. So instead of buying the Tide Rescue, you can just purchase the big Tide bottle, pour it into an empty spray bottle, and now you have your own little Tide Rescue. So instead of having 23 cents per ounce, now you're spending 15 to 16 per ounce, depending on what size bottle you get. All right, let's keep going down the line of another detergent. You know what's interesting about this game bottle? It actually doesn't have pre-treating instructions on it, so I guess you can't really use it for a pre-treater. Now, this Arm & Hammer Deep Clean Detergent for 102 ounces, $12 a bottle, comes out to 12 cents per ounce. Are you guys getting the point now of how much you actually can save by just using your own laundry detergent and following the pre-treating instructions that are in the back, which essentially are the same as any other stain remover? But here's the bottom line. Stop wasting your money on overpriced stain removers. You already have the solution sitting at your home. Take an empty spray bottle, reuse the one from the last stain remover that you bought, and fill it with your favorite laundry detergent. That's it. Or if you don't have one, head over to your nearest dollar store and pick up a cheap spray bottle and make it work for you. Now, the point of this video is using what we have to get the same results for the fraction of the cost. So the next time you're thinking of pulling a stain remover off the shelf, ask yourself, is it really worth it? Save your money. Be wise. Until next time, take care of yourself and your laundry. Thank you for watching.